Good morning, everyone. Good morning. For some reason, my stream music isn't working. I don't know why. I can't get that stuff to play in my Streamlabs, but oh well. It's a great day for a great day. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are all having a great middle of your week. I know I am. I am also kind of bored with the market because it's just consolidation right now, which sucks. Consolidation's never fun, but it's a good day. It is a very good day. Yesterday I took my car or my truck into the shop, and you know it's the best feeling when you go to pick up your vehicle and they don't have like a list of things on top of an oil change. Like they're like, oh, you gotta fix this and fix that, and they were just like, all right, you're done here, and it felt good. I love going into the mechanic and they're not giving me a fat list of things that I need to fix or whatever. Like it was literally just pick up, go, and easy. Yesterday was a good day, and then today my motorcycle was getting service, and that's done, and there's no problems there also. And so I love it when your cars aren't giving you problems, you know. That was a good feeling. And I really need the truck not to have a problem because tomorrow we drive for a long road trip. I did a long drive last week, a 6-hour drive to Mammoth, and then this time I'm doing another really long drive to Northern California. And yeah, it's just gonna be a long drive, and so I wanted to make sure the truck was all good. And that's all ready to do another long trip, and yeah, we're good for it. We're good for it. And didn't have very many other problems. Make sure if you're in the stream, get a coffee, get your favorite morning drink while you're hanging out, listen to some technical analysis. We're going to talk about DGODs. We're going to talk about NFTs that are pumping. We're going to talk about opportunities in the space. We're going to talk about Solana, Bitcoin, all of this stuff. You know how it is. You know what it is. But yeah, it's a good morning. If you're in here, join the Discord. All right, we are at 39 people. We're almost at 40 people in the Discord. It's still early. I'm still like brainstorming how to like get some energy in there, like how do we do some fun events. And if you have any idea of something that would be fun, please shoot it in the chat or join the Discord and like put it in the Discord. But I'm trying to like brainstorm some ways that we can bring some energy. And honestly, right now too, I'm kind of not in a normal rhythm. And my normal rhythm will start again next week because I'm traveling again this weekend. So I won't have another Friday stream. So this will be the last weekend until Singapore that'll have 0 breaks from streaming. So, because then the next thing's Solana Breakpoint, and I think we'll probably do some live streaming in Solana Breakpoint. We'll probably have to do it from like a phone or something, but I think we'll do some live streams from Solana during Solana Breakpoint. We'll figure out how to do that. But I'm really excited for Singapore. Hey, if you're in the stream right now and you're gonna be in Singapore, let me know. I would love to like hang out with you guys or see you or like say hi or whatever. I know there's a lot of Monkey DAO people that I'm going to be hanging out with that'll be there. But yeah, if you're going to be in Singapore in September, let me know. And I would love to link up, say hi, whatever, grab a coffee or something. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mike. Dude, I really want to come by a crypto battles. The issue is every Wednesday I work, and I can't like be active on my phone every Wednesday night. I work from 5 to like 9:30 p.m. every Wednesday, and so I can't ever make it to the crypto battles. I want to though. Hey, Mike, do they do them on a different day too? Do they ever do them or do they only do them on Wednesdays? I'm feeling good. I'm a little tired from like the traveling. I'm a little tired, but like I'm just gonna push through it. You know. Is there other days you guys do it, Mike? Because I do want to come by a crypto battles, but every time I see it, it's on a Wednesday night, and I can't make it. We are on today through Thursday. Okay, so you guys have one on Thursday. I might be able to make it on Thursday depending on what I'm doing because I'm traveling this week. So Tuesday through Thursday. Okay. All right. I'm going to try to make it to maybe next Tuesdays because this week I'm traveling. So Thursday I probably won't be able to make that one. But next Tuesday I probably for sure can. I'll actually probably put that in my calendar. It's at 6:30 p.m. EST on Tuesday too, right? Next Tuesday? Because I'll put that in my calendar to try to remind myself to pop in. I'll put it in my calendar right now. 6:30 p.m. EST would be... Yeah, it's 3:30 on my time. Oh. Crypto battles. All right. Yeah, I think that's 3:30 p.m. for me. And I'll put TikTok crypto. All right. There we go. Okay. I'll try to be there on next week. So I just put it in my calendar, Mike. And I'll try to be there. See if I can even come up as I know he lets people come up too. So I'll see if I can come up on there. Locked in. I'm locked in, man. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it, dude. And thank you for the, what is that? The Tiny Diny? Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. The charts, I don't know if you guys have been paying attention. I know a lot of you guys, I'm sure a lot of the people on X and TikTok that are consistently watching, like you've probably watched the charts outside of my live stream, and you've seen that the charts right now are pretty boring. It's like consolidation, choppy trading. So I think I might see an opportunity on a lower time frame to catch a part of the choppiness, but right now the market is just super choppy, and like when we get to the technical analysis on like Solana, it's so ugly. It's so ugly. We need price action. It's bad. But yeah, D-Gods though. D-Gods are still pumping. I bought 2 more Utes this morning. Let me see if I can get to let's do a screen share right now. All right, yep. All working. Perfect. Let me do this real fast. Okay. All right, screen share. There we go. Let's go to Tensor real fast. Oh, let's actually go to Magic Eden. Let's go to Magic Eden real fast. Let's see what Magic Eden's showing. Solana, D-Gods. Oh, shoot. They just broke 31. Dang. Dang, dude. That's sick. D-Gods just broke 31. If you guys remember, when we talked on Monday, why does he keep doing this? Switch wallet and Phantom. Switch to make it active. What? Nope. This one. Okay. If you guys remember on Monday when we were talking, they were at 28. 28 Sol. Now they're at 32. They're pretty much going to be at 32, like probably in the next second or so. I wish I had more Solana, but I didn't have enough to get a D-God. But instead, I bought. Thank you so much, Mike, for sharing the stream. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate that. Oh yeah, I didn't buy a D God, but they're pumping right now. I still have a D God. It's my. But I did buy 2 of these this morning. 2 more. I have 3 now. I have 3 Utes, and I bought them at 6, so they're at 6.29 now. I think we see a nice. I think Utes go to double digits, and I think D Gods have a chance at getting to this kind of floor price. These are at 50 right now. Oh shoot, these are at 50. They kind of dropped a little bit. I wonder if people are dumping some Mad Lads to pick up some D Gods. But I think we see D Gods flip Mad Lads. Kind of crazy to say, but I think we see D Gods flip Mad Lads. There's really nothing else that it could flip. That's the next challenge is can D Gods flip Mad Lads? That'd be 50. That'd be 50. And D Gods are known for the runs that they do. Like when they were on ETH, they ran up all the way to 10 ETH. When they were in Solana, they ran up all the way to their peak was like they ran up all the way. I think they were almost 900 Sol in their peak. Let's see if I can analytics, activity, no. Oh, chart. The chart. Let's look real fast in their history. Price. Oh, right here, all time. 150. Wait, did they lose? This is horrible. I don't like this chart. Let's see. Their peak in the past. Let's see if I can get like when they were really ripping. Oh, it doesn't go that far back. It only goes back to July. Can I get more time? Oh, it doesn't go that far back. Oh, I can't look at it. I think it must have been because they moved chains, so it doesn't keep the history. But yeah, they used to be at before they bridged to like ETH, they were sitting at like 700, 800 Sol floor. I forget what their peak was, but it was almost 1,000 Sol. They almost hit 1,000 Sol floor price, and they're a 10K collection, right? They're not like a 1,000K collection or something. Like they're a 10K collection hitting that kind of floor price. So I'm excited for D Gods, right? If you're on X, you see my D God mode title for this live stream. Like I'm bullish on D Gods right now. They're really pumping. They're really excited. A lot of people are chattering about them. Like you got Magic Eden chatting about them. You got Soul Sniper. You got a bunch of people changing their PFPs to D Gods. Like it's right now, D Gods are cool, right? Like right now, D Gods are pumping, and attention equals value. Where can let's see if I can show you that. Equals value. Let's see if I can find someone had, I think it was Frank had one that right here. Our value has always been our community. When you buy a D-God, you gain followers, engagement, and community support. Attention equals value. D-Gods get the most attention in Web3. Points Power is a novel ad product that rewards players directly from the attention it receives. Attention equals value. That's the game of NFTs. If your NFT, if your meme coin is not garnishing attention, does it have value? Probably not. Probably not. Like that's how meme coins and NFTs work. If they're not garnishing attention, they're not valuable, right? That's why I made a switch on my PFP. I still love OK Bears. Always will be a huge fan of Kai's, Subi, and the OK Bears team. Always will be. But I see like what it says right here. When you buy a D-God, you gain followers, engagement, and community support. I'm here as a content creator to garnish attention. I'm looking, how do I garnish attention on my content? How do I garnish attention on my tweets, on my YouTube posts, anything? How do I get attention? Because attention equals value for my platform. And so DeGods was a strategic move for me because right now they're garnishing a lot of attention. And so if you're looking at investing in things like NFTs or meme coins, if those things are not garnishing attention, the value is not there, right? That is the key to these kind of tokens, these kind of like opportunities in the space. And a lot of people don't get that. And it's really simple. Like, it's very, very simple. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the DeGods are killing it. Utes are even up. When we last looked at Utes in the beginning of the week, they were at 4 Sol. I should have bought some then, but I was hoping to get some to pick up a galactic gecko, but I think these are going to pump. And I bought 3 Utes so I can hold 1 and sell 2 for profit, just so I can get some kind of like trading out of it. But I'll always hold a U and I'll always hold a DeGod. But I'm gonna try to catch this little pump, see how high the Utes go, make some profit, and then hopefully rotate that profit into a galactic gecko is what I would love to. Right here, these guys. I would love to rotate some profits into. Are they not? Where are they? Right here, one of these guys. So rotate some profits into a galactic gecko. I would like to do that. Get one of these. So that's my goal. That's my plan. Sammy, good morning. I'm from Spain. What is the best broker for me? You're from Spain. Sammy, do you trade cryptocurrencies, or do you trade like different, or like more stocks and commodities and indices and stuff like that, like more traditional type investments? Because if you trade in crypto and you have a VPN, pretty much anything's game for you. Like, what's your preferred go-to stock to trade, or type of stock to trade? Is it crypto, traditional? I'm gonna wait for his response. See if he gets back to me. See if he what kind of stuff he trades. But all right, guys, let's get into some technical analysis. Okay, we'll start with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will give us some context to probably what Solana will be doing soon. But Bitcoin's pretty choppy right now too. So on the day time frame, look at this. This is boring. Boring choppiness, right? No. I'm interested in meme coins with Solana. I downloaded oh, awesome. I downloaded Phantom. I also have I also hear about Pepe Boost. Okay, so if you want to trade meme coins on Solana, let's do this right now. I'll show you a couple. I'll show you two of the best right now. Okay. Photon right here. If you don't have a Twitter account, Sammy, and you want to trade meme coins, you should have a Twitter account. And that's like one of the key tools for meme coins. Okay, so I recommend making an X account, and then following Photon. This is one of the best meme coin exchanges. Okay, and then also this one, which I didn't cover this exchange on my my videos, my Solana meme coin videos, but this one also I mentioned it a little bit, but not much. BullX. This one, I need to do more research on this one, but this one might even be better than Photon. I've heard amazing things with BullX. But Photon's my pick right now. I really like Photon. I use it. But BullX, I've heard really good things, but I got to do some testing before I really can say more. But what I've heard across X and people who trade meme coins a lot, BullX is like probably one of the best. But I personally like really enjoy Photon a lot. But those are two good ones, BullX and Photon. If you want to also know more, we have a couple videos out on our YouTube channel, and I see you're chatting from YouTube. What's up, QT? Good morning. We have this one, how to avoid getting rugged with meme coins, and how to use Photon and like do your research. You have this one, how I trade 100x Solana meme coins. This is how I do it, and like some secret tools that are out there that you can use. And then my complete guide, which is like a 31-minute video. It's everything. It's a long video, but I lay out everything for you. These other videos are clips from the really long one. So if you just want to focus in on a portion of that, like how to avoid getting rugged, watch that one. If you want to know how I actually trade these meme coins, like what exchanges I use, watch that video. Or if you want to just run through the entire guide that I have, watch the long one. That's 31 minutes. But I'm trying to make it easier to digest. Crazy pump and dump on Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin and Solana have been choppy, pumping and dumping right now. Really boring consolidation. We want price action. I think really good price action's coming in October, end of September and beginning of October. Tech CEO, good morning, dude. Good morning, Tech. I saw that next Tuesday you got oh, sorry, something was like beeping. Did you guys hear that? Maybe, I don't know what that was. Oh, it's 9:22. Oh, shoot. Wait, no, I'm good. And we back, Tech. Hey, Tech, I heard next Tuesday you got your crypto battles, and I'm coming to that next Tuesday. I can't make it tonight because I work every Wednesday night from like 5 to like 9:30 p.m. I can't make it, but next Tuesday I'm gonna be trying to come by your crypto battles. Mike was just talking to me earlier about it. And thank you so much for what you did on my TikTok the other day. I was traveling, so I missed what you guys did on my TikTok, but thank you, dude. Tonight's the only crypto battles? Okay. Do you have one next week, Tech? Because I want to try to come to one. Or do you have any crypto battles on a different day than Wednesdays? And Tuesday, Thursday, 6. I'm Tuesday to Thursday, 6:30. Okay, perfect. I'll stop by your live then on that. Crypto battles only on Wednesday nights now. Okay. Well, I'll definitely try to come by your lives though. I won't be able to make crypto battles, but on Tuesday, Thursdays, I can definitely stop by your lives. Those days I have available. Yeah, no, I love what you do though. The crypto battles is cool. That's a great idea. Sweet. Okay, yeah, I'll be stopping by. Now that I know your schedule, I literally put it in my calendar, so I'll be stopping by. But yeah, anybody who's on the screen right now, we got videos to walk you through how to trade meme coins. And I'm starting a new strategy for the way I create content that I'm trying to do way more strategic for you. Like if I create something, if I'm creating a video, what's the product for you guys that you can take away and walk away and actually take value from? And so I'm excited to like really give that to you guys and really change the aspect that I think I've been creating more content for me, if that makes sense. Like how do I create the best content instead of like focusing on like what do you guys need the most value from? Oh, thanks, babe. My wife just surprised me. with the coffee. That's nice. Bro, the cold brew chocolate macadamia nut whatever at Starbucks is gas. Wife of the year, dude. Wife of the year. Bro, this is so good. The white chocolate macadamia nut cold brew. It's a long title, but it's so good, dude. So good. And we have a baby doctor's appointment this morning for her because she's preggo. So that's fun. We might get to. I think we get an ultrasound today, so we get to actually see the baby. I like those ones when you get to see the baby. Congrats. Thank you, Tech. Yeah, my wife is 9 weeks in on the pregnancy. Right? No. Sorry. She's got 9 weeks left on the pregnancy. I think that's right. 9 or 8. She's very close. She's due in October, like 14th. So it'll be my first kid, first baby girl. She's a little girl. I got my little dad. Can you guys see that? My little dad bracelet. I got some other. Thank you, dude. I'm really excited. Really excited to be a dad. It's gonna be fun. It even makes me want to take like all this stuff even to like the next level, so I can like provide even better for my family. But it's a motivator for sure. A huge motivator. All right, let's get into some Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin had some choppiness, right? Just as expected, as we've talked about, like right in between this, but in these past couple days, in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, very choppy on Bitcoin. Very choppy, boring, not fun. Okay. And I would love to see Bitcoin touch down here again, do a retest on this support, and then pump up. But it looks like it might not. It looks like Bitcoin has a history of like kind of coming down and then just doing a little pump, coming down, right? Testing a pump, testing here. Probably have another test up here on this line. So I'm watching Bitcoin. I think in the next 2 months, we're going to have some pretty boring price movement. I think that's just the reality. Let's get into normal candles, not Heikin-Ashi. Yeah, like, look at that. This is really boring trading. And honestly, when you see the chart like this, it's very hard to trade in this. So if you've been taking active trades and you've been taking losses, it's probably because of this choppiness. It's not easy to trade in price movement like this. So if you're like, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this last week, if you've really been struggling and taking losses, wait for price to get out of consolidation. Okay, I've learned my lessons too that way. Like if that happened to you, it's okay. Choppy trading like this in the market is not easy. It's hard to get good plays. It's way better to wait for price action, right? Way better to wait for price to move and then react, right? And that's where you get good trades. So I've learned in consolidation, I try not to trade unless I get exact indicators that I want on a lower time frame. But usually I try to stay away from it because it's just very hard to trade in consolidation. It's not fun. You get very small moves, right? It is possible. You got to learn your indicators and what you like, but it's not easy. Okay, so if you've been taking losses this last week, just know it's okay. Consolidation's not easy and not fun time to trade. Oh man, that's yummy. That's yummy. Have a meeting. I'll get you to. Thank you, Tech. Hope you have a good meeting, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yeah, I hope you have a great meeting, and I'll see you later, dude. I know I see you around. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin's kind of in choppiness right now. We need price action to either pop out of this consolidation towards this line, right? We either needed to do this. We need either consolidation to kind of like stop doing this little boring consolidation and either go down here, right? Or we needed to come out of consolidation and go up here, right? We need whichever way. We need it to go somewhere, right? Price action when it's doing this, choppiness, not fun. We need price action to do something. Ideally, it comes down to this support. We enter here and then can ride something there, right? I'm probably not going to be trading Bitcoin because I personally prefer Solana. That's my preference. But if Bitcoin is presenting something much better, then I might take a trade, because on Drift Protocol, you can trade Bitcoin very easily. And I'm trying to open myself up to more trading on different coins. Right now, I've only been solely focused on Solana, but I think I want to start opening up myself to like trading Bitcoin too, Ethereum, and some other coins. But really, I try to only focus on Solana just so I can really fine tune my skill, and not get too overstimulated with all the other coins that I could be trading, right? It's a lot of information, a lot of things to balance. I really want to get good at one. And then once I'm really good and have my indications and have my rhythms, take those and apply it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins. But right now I'm really just focused on Solana. But maybe you're just really focused on Bitcoin, or maybe you're really focused on Ethereum. That's fine. That's totally fine. You do what you're comfortable with and what you really know in your head. Like, I could tell you guys what price is today for Solana. I could tell you what price was probably last week. I know the rhythms of Solana. I know the ups and downs. I know where it's been its lows. I know where it's had its highs. Like, I know Solana like the back of my hand. I know it very well. That's why I'm trying to get really good at that. What's the coin that you know very well? Like, you're like, I know every peak. I know every low. I know what it does in consolidation. I know what it does in price action, right? Like, what's the coin you really know, and get good at trading that coin, okay? That's the best tip I have. So that's why I like to go back to Solana. And so Solana on the 15-minute right now, well, let's actually show you the day. The day is doing very much like Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. The day is very much like Bitcoin. Very boring. Choppy trading, right? I want it to come back down to this, right? I have my alert still here. I want price to come back down to our box, but it hasn't come down yet. But it looks like on the daytime frame, MACD is still looking pretty weak that it's going to come down. If you go over to the 4-hour too, 4-hour is like, even on the MACD, pretty flat movement, right? Very boring. 4-hour, this is literally what I've been watching on the 4-hour. Just horrible. I hate it. Boring. I don't like it. This is not fun to trade in. Now, can you trade in it? Yes. There are opportunities to trade in it. If you go to the 15-minute, right? 15-minute, when it's choppy, if it's choppy movement, I like to go down to lower time frames, because you can catch moves like this, right? You can catch this move, right? This move, right? You get to catch the choppiness, but it's a little harder. Like, this would have been an ideal move, and then catch this low, right? But I haven't taken any trades in this choppiness currently, because I really want a good indicator on my 15-minute time frame. Like, this would have been the ideal indicator here, and this one here. This one was pretty close, but not really ideal, right? Because I wait for my MACD to touch this blue line in the 15-minute. So I'm waiting for this MACD to come down here and see if we can get a long position on that. But I just don't enjoy this type of trading right now. And if you're like bummed that it's like choppy, I get you. I hate choppy trading. It's so freaking boring. It's so boring. Consolidation is the worst. I'm moving ahead too fast. Let's focus in on this. So on the 15-minute time frame, I'm actively looking to get a trade opportunity. Okay, my trade opportunity. I'm hoping that the MACD touches down here on this blue line, and then also that, see how when it touched this blue line and crossed over here, you also got this bullish engulfing candle here on this. Yeah, you guys can all see that. I would wait for those two indicators on the lower time frame, and then hopefully ride it like for that. That would be my goal. And then yeah, I would wait for the MACD to get down. Oh my gosh, sorry, jeez. It sound like I have hiccups, but like my throat is like doing something weird. Oh my. Okay. I'm waiting for the MACD to get down to this blue line here. And then ride the MACD up to hopefully this blue line, just like it did here. Let's zoom out, or let's just look at the MACD real fast. Just like it did here, right? Enter down here, ride it to up here. That would be the goal on that 15-minute time frame of what I'm looking for. So it's getting close to it's getting continual move downward. So I'm waiting for it. And I'm hoping that as it moves down, it actually touches this purple box. That's the goal. That with this downward movement on the MACD, we touch this purple box. I don't know if it'll go that low. It might only go to our white line like it did here. But maybe we'll get an even lower move to the blue line or to the purple box. So we'll kind of see what's going to happen here. And I have my alerts, right? I have my alerts on all this stuff, so I know I don't have to sit here and stare at the screen. I can go get work done, and then if I see my phone or my computer give me my alert, I hop over to the charts, check to see if it's a trade opportunity, go to my brokerage, which is Drift, right? The Drift protocol, put in that trade if it's the right one, and then let it ride, right? So, and then let it ride. So our goal is either, let's see if we can find a little, see if 1 hour will give us a little support and resistance zone. Yeah, it does. Okay. All right. So if you look here on the 1 hour, this box, when it enters, that wicks off pretty hard, right? Here, enter this box, wicked off. And this is just for the consolidation. So this support box I'm making is just for if I want to trade this choppiness, right? And so I'd create this box too on the 1 hour time frame. This would be like the take profit box. So within the choppiness, right, it's moving back and forth between these boxes. My goal would be right now, enter in this box, ride it to this box, okay? And this would be take profits area. So it's just short little trades. That would be my goal here, is ride these little ups and downs. And if you go to the 15-minute right, Willie, welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. Welcome in. So yeah, as you see on the 15-minute, when it comes down here, wicks up to the box. Comes down here, wicks up to the box, right? We had this one not quite come down to our box, but came down low. That's why I would not have done this. I would not have done this, but I would have taken that. But I was asleep. I think that was like 4 a.m., 6 a.m. I was asleep. And so now it's coming back down to this box. Once it touches this box, I'll be seeing if I have a trade opportunity. I'll be also looking at my MACD and also for a bullish engulfing candle. And if I get those, trade opportunity, let's go. Let's ride it to the top, or to this box. Okay. So I'm going to try to trade some of this consolidation, but I'm waiting and patiently waiting for the right indications, right? I want price to enter this box again, and I want the MACD to get down to this blue line. Okay, those are two indicators I'm looking for. And then in order to take the trade, I would need a bullish engulfing candle and the MACD, just like this one, the blue over the white line. Okay, that would be some indicators I'd be looking for on the 15-minute time frame. On copper. You guys want to see my dog? Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Come here. Can you guys see him? Yeah, you smell my coffee? You guys see him? This is my dog, Copper. He hangs out with me every live stream. He likes to sleep with me. Why? Come here. Ready? Come here, bud. We're gonna show you. You're gonna say hi. Come here. Come here. Come here, sucker. There you go. There you go. Say hi. There you go. This is my dog, Cop. Copper. He's a red bone coonhound. Huh, bud? Oh. Okay. Chill. Yeah, that's my dog. He likes to come hang out with me while I live stream. But yeah, we're trying to catch this choppiness in Solana, and we're trying to enter this box, write it to this box, and take a little profit. It wouldn't be a large trade. Like, I would expect to make maybe not a ton on a trade like that. That's just like quick little trades. I wouldn't be looking for a large trade until the 4 hour starts giving me more information. Like the 4 hour goes down to, right? The 4 hour goes down to this box, right? Or the 4 hour MACD goes down to this teal line, right? That's what I'm looking for, those large trades that I take. But that right now, where we're currently at, I'm looking for small, like smaller time frame, smaller profit, right? And quicker, right? So I'd be probably out of that trade within a day. Where if I do the 4 hour time frame, I could be in that trade for a week. And you guys have seen that. You guys have seen when I take those live trades on the 4 hour time frame, when it literally takes like a week and a half. But we make really good profit on those kinds of trades, as you guys have seen. Go if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to some of my other streams. We've taken some pretty good profit on stream when we take the big 4 hour ones. But I would hope. Oh, I'm thinking of something real fast. Maybe today, if I have the opportunity to take the 15-minute time frame, like if it's getting really close, maybe I'll pop up on a live stream and just make sure you guys see me do a trade. Because right now we'd have a little bit of time before we get there. It'd probably be a couple hours, my guess. Yeah, my guess would be like probably a couple hours out before the 15-minute time frame gives us anything even close to what we're looking for. So maybe when we get closer, I'll pop up on a live stream real quick. Because that's the nice thing about my setup now. I can literally one click of a button just go live for you guys. So maybe I'll do that. Do a quick live stream if we actually start getting that trade opportunity. Or maybe I'll just do it on X or something. I don't know. No, I'll do it all across everything. Why not? Right? Why not? So that's for you guys. What I'm looking for Solana to do some of this consolidation. Now, let's get down to the Bitcoin, because maybe you guys are Bitcoin traders and you are like, why don't you cover Bitcoin? I want to know if Bitcoin's presenting an opportunity. Okay? Let's look at Bitcoin on the lower time frames, okay? So I can help you guys out with what's going on here. See? Bitcoin is also boring, right? Consolidation. Let's change this color. We'll change it to orange. Right? Got this boring consolidation right now. And let's change the order. Let's send this to, why is it not? There we go. Send it back. Okay. So you got this consolidation happening on Bitcoin, right? So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, let's go to Heiken Ashi, right? We're focusing on the orange. Let's go to Heiken Ashi candles, and we're gonna find our support and resistance within Heiken Ashi, all right? So if you go here, maybe we go a little lower. Like that. And then let's change that to our other color. Okay. And then let's do this. All right. Okay. So you got this right here. Oh, look at that. Right there too. Okay. So you got this support and this resistance up here. Let me delete this big orange box because we don't need that anymore. So if I was in Bitcoin, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at trading when it touches here and take profit on this box, okay? We'll probably scoot this down a little more. That would be what I'm looking at. So if you go to the 15-minute, right, let's look. Scroll this out. 15 minutes looking. 15-minute on the MACD is actually looking like it might be presenting an opportunity for Bitcoin. Very, very soon, actually. So I would want Bitcoin, if I'm doing anything, I'm wanting Bitcoin to enter this box right here. Let's actually change it. So it's, we know this is just for consolidation. Sorry, I keep bouncing around, but I don't want you guys to get confused with this box because that box is the more pivotal box, where this one's more just for consolidation if we're looking for a short time frame trade. Okay, so if we're looking for a short time frame trade, I would look for Bitcoin to enter this box, which the top of the box is 58.3 and the bottom of this box is 57.6, and the bottom of this box is 61.3, and the top of this box is like 61,900. Okay, so I would be looking for Bitcoin to enter this box, enter a position, and then ride it up to this for a take profit, right? And I would want to take profit probably at the bottom of this box and enter at the top of this box, right? And just ride that out. And it looks like Bitcoin's actually pretty close. Pretty close. Bitcoin looks a little closer than Solana in regards to the opportunity that it has. But again, Bitcoin, this is just for the consolidation. This is where we're really interested. This would be the 4-hour long position we do if a price touches in here, right? So one thing I would also want to pay attention to, if you're looking at this short time frame, as it enters this box for this one or even for Solana, what is price doing in here? Does price break out of this box and head towards this? Because if so, I don't want to enter a position because it's actually going to go down to this box. If anything, if that happens, I'm setting up then for a long position in like the 4-hour time frame, not a 15-minute time frame, right? So that would be like a long, I'd want to hold that one for like a while. So you got to pay attention to what's going to happen to price in this box. Is this support or is this going to be resistance point, right? Does price bounce off from this box, or does price get pushed down at this box like it did here? Okay. Does price get pushed down, or does price get pushed up? Okay. You need to be paying attention to what happens in that box. Just because it enters the box on Bitcoin or on Solana, right? Let's change this color too, so it matches. This is the consolidation spot that we're focusing in on, right? Okay. If it enters this box, what does price do? Does price break through and this turn into resistance, or does it hold and turn into support, right? That's key. This box is going to be very important of what the heck happens to Solana. Does it go lower or does it go back to the top of this consolidation? Because if it goes lower and breaks out of this box and heads towards this one, that shows this opportunity for a really good position, and also shows this potential opportunity for a short to ride to this box and take profit here on a short position. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna set up, actually, let's set up some alerts for me. I'm gonna set up some alerts on here so I can find out, because actually Bitcoin looks like it might be presenting an opportunity that's pretty solid. And I might actually take that opportunity. I might actually take that trade. So I want to know when price enters this box here. Okay. And I don't usually trade on Bitcoin, so this would be a new one for us. once per bar, BTC enters consolidation support, right? So we know that once we get that alert, price has entered our little consolidation area. That's Bitcoin. Okay. And then we want Solana. Really, we can probably move this white line and just put it on this white line right here. Where does it put on the white line? Sol, enter. All right, there we go. Okay, so now we have those alerts. Now we just sit back and wait. It's easy, right? You don't got to sit here and stare. You now let your alerts do the work for you. Okay, so I'm waiting for that. And then I got my alerts also on the MACD. Not on Bitcoin, but I just got this alert here, so that's fine. I don't need much more on Bitcoin. I don't need much more. I'm going to delete this one. Pretty much I only have, let's delete this one. All right, there we go. Okay, so I'm excited for that. I think we're gonna have an opportunity soon on the 15-minute time frame for either Bitcoin or Solana. I think they're both gonna present an opportunity, and so I'm excited for that. That's why I got those alerts on. Should be nice and quick and easy. Once it hits that alert, pull out the phone, or get on the computer, check it out, see if we got an opportunity, or see if we need to have more patience. Right. So that's what's coming up. I want to talk about the Discord real fast. Oh, if you guys aren't in our Discord, there's a code on the screen for the Discord. Go ahead, use that code on the screen, join up in our Discord. But right now we're running a community poll that is for if we should change the live stream time. So if you're currently watching our live stream, there's currently, I think we've had about 30 people in here. If you're like, I would way rather have him stream in the evening time, or I'd way rather have him stream at like lunchtime, or whatever it is, go ahead and vote. Hop in our Discord, join our Discord, go vote. If you want us to change our live stream time, we're actively trying to figure out what's the best time for you guys. Okay, not what's the best time for me. I want to know what the best time for you guys is to come watch our stuff, and what works well for your schedules. So, or what is the most productive time for you that you would really value the time that we do our live streams. So, hop in the Discord, use the code, and go vote if you would prefer for us to change our live stream times or keep them the same. So we're on the first round of the vote. Right now we only have one vote, so I'm hoping we get some more. We got 4 days left on this poll, and then once we have one of the winners, if it's morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever wins, then we'll go down to like the time, like what time do you want to start, right? So that'll be the next poll, and then also we'll do day, like what days work best. Right now we do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but if you would like Tuesday, Thursdays, Friday, we can do that too. So yeah, go ahead, hop in the Discord, join up, and go take a vote. And also soon, I'm good because I'm gonna get back into normal rhythms. What was that? I'm gonna get back into normal rhythms. I want to see what's one of the fun events we can do soon. I would like to do a Discord event. If it's like a game night, like a video game night, where like if ever we got 40 people in the Discord, or 39, like maybe we can do a fun like Call of Duty night or Fortnite, or I don't know, some fun game night, Fall Guys or something, where we all get together, join a game together, and we have fun. I think that'd be sick. I love Call of Duty. Call of Duty is my favorite, and Black Ops 6 is coming out. I thought that could be something fun we do. And it's not like I'm going to be creating content. It's literally just to have fun with you guys, like to build some relationship, hang out. And also another thing I would like to start doing potentially, if you guys are into it, if you join the Discord, is like on the days I don't stream, which are Tuesday, Thursdays right now, I would do a private call with everyone in the Discord where we work together on our TA on Tuesdays and Thursdays, like at 8 or 7 a.m. Hop in a Discord call and be like, all right, guys, what do we see? Here's the opportunities we see today. Or maybe take a trade right there with you guys. But yeah, we do like private Discord calls just for you guys. And this is free. Just so you know, the Discord's free. Like, I'm not charging you guys to be a part of this Discord. I'm not going to make you pay for these like calls. Now, if you do subscribe, there is the option to subscribe. I am planning on like providing more for those who subscribe to our Discord. I'll be doing like way more intricate like things with the people that subscribe, like really putting a lot more for them. But if you just want to join the Discord, I'll still be providing cool things like calls, private events, and whoever's in the Discord and stuff like that. So hop in the Discord. It's completely free. It's a Soul Maniac server. So and you'd be very early if you join up. Like, you'd be super early to what we're doing. And so yeah, you should be in there. There's gonna be a lot coming. Maybe even I'll show some things like in Solana Breakpoint just within the Discord. We'll do like a stage and I'll share my screen. I'll do it from my phone or something at Solana Breakpoint. But yeah, eventually once we start generating revenue, which I'm hoping this is our first month we actually generate revenue for the company, then we'll start be doing like prizes and giveaways and stuff in the Discord for people that are in, because I want to give back to you guys. And like, I don't want to just give back, like, I want to give like, oh, you can win a PS5 or a new monitor or computer or like an NFT or Solana or whatever. I don't know. Do fun giveaways to you guys. It's literally just a place that I can get to know you guys better, and I can give back, and we can grow the community, the Soul Maniac community. So yeah, join up. I would love to see you guys in there. Love to see you guys hanging out in the Discord. But yeah, so I just want to share that with you guys. That vote is currently happening. All right. Okay. Let's see if anything's happened on let's see if anything happens on the NFT front. Let's see if anything's moved anymore. DD gods are still stagnant at 31.8. Ooh, they're close. They're so close. 31.97. Oh shoot. I shouldn't have closed that. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh well. Let's see. All right, guys, I can only do stream for like an hour today because I got a doctor's appointment in about 30 minutes for my wife. And we got to go check on the baby for the doctor's appointment. But I want to thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you for always showing up on our live streams. I'm really excited to see how we can make it even like grander in the future, like getting guests on here. We have some partnerships potentially coming out with the live streams that could change the trajectory of the way the live streams go. So I'm kind of excited for that. There's a couple different partnerships that are in the works right now for our live streams. But we're still in the talks. We're still figuring things out. But yeah. But I'm excited. If there's anything you guys need, like questions you have or anything, my DMs on TikTok, X, Instagram, YouTube. I don't have DMs on YouTube, but you can always comment. I'm an open book. So if you ever need help, like if it's with the meme coin stuff, if it's with the brokerage you want to use, if it's with day trading, you can join up in our Discord. I'm going to be very active in the Discord, so you can always ask questions there, or you can just shoot me a DM if you don't want to join the Discord. And yeah, I would love to help you guys when you guys have any questions. But yeah, everyone, thank you so much for being on this live stream this morning. And I will not see you Friday because I'll be with my family for a baby shower. But I will see you next Monday, and we're back to normal schedule Monday, Wednesday, Friday streams starting next Monday again. So thank you everyone for being here, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I'll keep you guys up to date if I decide to take a trade on the 15-minute time frame. I might even hop in and go live real fast if I'm gonna put in an order, an actual trade. But if not, if I can't, then I'll just post about it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.